When it comes to motorcycle tires, there are several styles to choose from, each catering to different riding preferences and conditions. Each type has its own unique benefits and drawbacks. So, which one is best for you? Let's dive into the details. Sport tires are designed for speed and agility, but they wear out quickly. Touring tires are built for endurance and long distances. Cruiser tires ensure comfort on heavy bikes. Dual sport tires offer versatility for both on-road and off-road. Off-road tires excel in tough terrains. So, which tire is best for you? It all depends on your riding style. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next ride. Credits, CGF MOTOVLOGS.